Hello. Okay, in this video, I wanted to go through some mindset things that you need to overcome if you want to be successful in business. So let's jump on in. So the first thing that I want you to really work on is don't get frustrated when you can't figure something out. Don't think that you're going to give up if you're not seeing instant success in your stores. Everything can be figured out. There's a reason why things aren't working, and there's things that you can do to fix it. So instead of getting frustrated, find the solutions, look for the mentors, groups, coaches, videos that can give you the answers on what you need to do. And just ask questions and you will get there. The next thing on my list is stop procrastinating and start taking action. So stop making excuses for why things aren't working. Stop putting things off, because you'll never get anywhere if you do these things. And if you want success, you need to start just taking action and doing things. Yes, you'll make mistakes, but you'll learn from them, you'll grow, and you'll get better. So take action and make your business successful. Next, stop comparing yourself to others. Now, this is a big one that I see all the time, and I myself am guilty of it as well. So we need to stop comparing ourselves to others or getting jealous of their success. Celebrate their success with them and change your mindset and just be happy for people, because what you often don't see is the amount of work they've put in to get their success, the actual time that it's taken to get their success, and all the things that they've had to learn along the way to get that success. So just focus on yourself and learning and improving, and celebrate other people along the way. Next is stop letting fear control you. So I see this a lot too. People are scared to start their shops, or they're scared to take action, scared that they're not going to be good enough. And you need to get past this, because you're not going to get anywhere like that. And instead, reframe the way that you're thinking and start thinking about, well, there's nothing really to be scared of, because I'm not having any success at the moment. So if my store doesn't work out, what's the difference? So you need to reframe your thoughts that way. And then you think about what happens if it does work out. It could be amazing. It could be the best thing that's ever happened to you. So don't let fear control you, and just take action and make progress in your business. So don't let fear hold you back. The next thing, and the very final thing, is stop skipping steps and follow proven processes. So if you're following a process that someone has had success with and they've laid it out for you, follow that whole process from the beginning, because often people skip steps and they think that they know things. And in actual fact, you've missed something extremely simple that can make a huge difference. So always start at the beginning. If someone's giving you a course or step-by-step on how to do something, start at the very beginning and follow it all the way through. And if it doesn't work, go back and just double check that you've done everything right all the way through from the very beginning. So they're the things that I think that we need to work on when it comes to mindset, especially for digital product businesses. This is where people seem to get stuck. So I hope that this has helped you. If you are stuck on any of these yourself and you need help moving past it, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to help you and talk to you. But yeah, just take action in your business and start moving forwards, and think positively, because if you think positively about your business, well, positive things are going to happen. So if you let it deflate you when things go wrong, then it's going to sort of bring everything down. So just keep that positive mindset and keep going. Have a fantastic day.